My name is Arshad and I have been to more than 50 countries across 3 continents. In my recent journey to Afghanistan, where I spent more than 1 week in the recent war between Afghan forces and Taliban. I have been there for 1 week and I met a few brave Afghan girls who were ready to make an impact on the future of Afghanistan. And today's episode is about these brave Afghan girls. Let's jump right into it. Yeah, and you?
Welcome to Afghanistan.
No, thank you very much.
This is Malali Gopalzai. Basically, I'm working with an organization which is working with government schools and life skills like early marriages and those basic
Early marriages,
women's
okay.
right, women's right issues. So I'm doing my monitoring evaluation with them.
Okay.
And apart of that, I love traveling.
Oh, okay.
So to guiding other foreigners in Mazar-e-Sharif. So I host most couples.
Hello. You speak English? Okay, what's your name? Can you tell me?
Afsana.
Afsana.
Yeah.
And you?
Wahida.
Wahida. Faryab.
Dalia.
From Faryab, okay. From?
Badris.
Badris. I don't know.
Badris, yeah.
Badris, okay.
Badris.
Badris, okay. I don't know
Badris,
what
no. Badris.
Badris,
Yes.
okay. And the other one?
Third one?
From Daikundi.
Daikundi. You speak English also, okay.
So the
Daikundi.
all three are from a different provinces.
Okay, from
And
3
me-
different provinces.
Yeah, and me from Jalalabad.
Okay. How often or what is the rate of early marriage here in Afghanistan? So
The situation comes that it's really worse to rate on that because it's on high rate on rural area.
okay.
So when I go to rural area, I see many cases like this. When an older man already marries with a 14 and 13 years old girl.
Oh, I think you're Afghan.
Okay. If I don't talk. Unless
We are a national athletic
Okay.
team, yeah. Yeah, also we have race.
Okay.
Thursday.
Okay. On Thursday.
National race in Borneo, yeah.
Feel like any danger when you come to university? No danger.
No, they have no problem when they come to faculty.
Yeah.
They are feeling very free.
Doing such training with families, with their parents, especially with their father and brothers, to know their basic rights, to know their situation, physical situation. That it's really not good idea to give them to our older man because of the marriage and all the side effects which they can get pregnant and all that. Now almost 350 families already got training,
Okay.
and maybe it will affect on a girls' child marriages. So it will stop as soon as possible on every.
50 kilometers.
Yes, 150 kilometers.
150 kilometers.
Yeah.
Okay.
3 gestures. Ways, different words.
And you
One
take.
is gonna be desert.
Okay. Wow, this is uphill.
Number 2.
Are you number 2?
Number 2, yeah.
You're number 2 in the whole
Yeah,
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan, yeah.
Okay.
क्या कहते हो?
Dentist.
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 Yes, you want to dentist.
Okay.
Yeah.
She want to be dentist.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you? Politics.
Politics. Okay, so next politician of Kabul,
Yeah.
Afghanistan, and this one?
Biology.
Biology.
Biology, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, financial difficulties. Because
Okay.
in rural area we have such families which they are facing such worst hazards financially because they don't have job. They are like facing. This is how they are going to force their children to marriage with an older man because the man already has land and all the money will give it to the family.
This year gonna be number 1 in Afghanistan.
Did you go also abroad, some other countries?
Yeah,
For
of course. After this competition, we'll go to Islamabad, Pakistan.
okay. So tell me something about Faryab.
अभी तक जो security situation है अभी तक normal नहीं है. It's not very good. It's they are trying to send their girls or their boys to schools.
Okay.
Yeah. So they are trying to make their life very easy and
Okay.
comfortable.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is their hope.
Okay, so what is the response of the people about this, about training? I mean, how did they respond?
At the beginning, they were thinking about like we are going to train them about the different culture of Americans. But later on, after graduation, they respond us like, it's really important to know about girls and the situation and the rights of a girl and what outcome will be after marriage.
Okay.
Receive such amazing feedbacks from
Okay.
them. Like it's really useful and we are going to stop it and we did really bad things on class, so we are going to stop it. Yeah.
Sometimes in danger, sometimes you are all proud because we are few more
Yeah, very
athletes
few.
in Afghanistan.
Yeah.
Zainab.
Zainab, okay.
She's from Badghis.
Badris, okay, and how is Badris?
As security is the main situation in Afghanistan, therefore Badghis is one of the provinces which is not secure, basically.
Okay.
But their people are trying to send like people upon Paria.
Yeah.
लोग चाह रहे हैं कि उसकी बेटियाँ जो है वो
पढ़ लिख जाए।
Okay.
Okay.
और स्कूल वगैरह पढ़े,
हाँ।
क्योंकि ये भी चाह रहे हैं कि बादगीस भी एक प्रोविंस हो जाए कि वहाँ पर
यूनिवर्सिटी हो,
यूनिवर्सिटी हो,
okay.
हॉस्पिटल्स हो, तो
Okay.
इसलिए ये लोग भी चाह रहे हैं।
Okay.
तो हाँ, ये लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं।
Okay. But when you go now to villages and talk to them, so you are also exposing yourself, doing something good for the children. At the same time, maybe a danger to those who want to marry younger children. So maybe they target you as well.
Yes,
Do
many
you have a
times I
risk?
face such dangerous situation where,
Okay.
when the community's leader were to stop me,
Yeah.
to not come here, to not train such
Okay.
families,
Mhm.
because they want this to happen on the area.
Okay.
So we faced such situation and we didn't stop it.
Okay,
we,
yeah.
we go regularly and we did our project. So we have signed a letter from government and security forces, and then we went there. So it's a proof that we have a legal letter to come here. Then they just allow us to.
Sometimes maybe there will some terrorist attack or some, I don't know, some blast or something.
داریم
Yeah.
طبعا هر
Yeah.
ولایت افغانستان هر قسمت افغانستانی
Yeah.
خطر وجود داره
For sure, there are some problems, and we have. We are worried for this kind of risk.
Yeah.
Every time and every moment and every second.
Feel any danger to your life when you go there? So you feel danger to your
I
life.
feel every day.
You feel every day?
Yes.
Okay, but still you are smiling.
Still, I'm doing because I'm a girl. Yes, one of my cousins when I was in Poland, so she was only 15. So
Am I filming?
my auntie were up to marry her with the older man. So I was not happy with them to do this. I called them to stop this marriage. So they didn't stop it. I see, then I start my own project. Stop early marriages.
Okay, so this is your own project.
Yes, this is
Okay.
my own project. I do pay the transportation, but I have 2 or 3 of my classmates as a volunteer.
Okay.
So they help me with the basic, management things. So
Okay. Okay. That how if you want to marry someone, so are you free to choose you want to marry someone or you have to accept what the parents say?
It's up to province, up to family, and up to people. That how kind of people these are. They are educated people, they are very, free people, or they are giving the chance to their children or not. So she said that my parent will be.
Okay.
giving me a- yeah.
Okay.
اگر شما رو میشه که با شما مصلحت. Her father will discuss with her.
Okay.
فامیل موافقت داشته باشه تونست
I would like to take arranged marriage because my family will not decide negative.
About her?
About me, but they should give me a chance to discuss with.
Okay.
Arsha,
You know everything about me. I hope you liked today's episode. If you did, hit the like button, share it to your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more episodes on Afghanistan, and I will see you very soon. Okay. Well, I'm gonna write my channel here. So maybe in capital. So adventure. Adventurous Archie. Archie is my nickname.
Archie.
Yeah, people call me Archie. So Adventurous Archie.
Okay.
It's the